respected principal sir, vice principal sir, coordinator, teachers, sister brothers, and beloved everyone. My name is Garima Pandey and I study in grade 10. Today I am here to talk about our culture and our identity. First of all, what is culture? The ideas, custom, and social behavior of particular people or society is culture. What is our identity? Our identity is our belief about ourselves, others, which is influenced by our culture. Every person living in earth has their own unique culture and identity. Culture play a huge role to shape our identity. Culture itself influences out our behavior, manners, and morals. Such behaviors and morals of people determine their identity. Our culture made a virtue of living only as extrovert. We discourage the inner journey. It is from this our culture influence that our identity are formed. Identity of person will not exist if it was not for their own culture and values that they have carried along the year. Culture is the characteristics of group of people defined by everything such as language, religion, lifestyle, etc. Different people in different society have their different culture, but they have some similarities. All action, the action we do like eating, dressing, wearing ornaments, etc. is the result of culture we learned. Every culture differs from others according to the constellation of mythos, which shapes its identity, attitude, and attention. No culture is perfect or superior to any culture as it is made by human beings who are imperfect creatures, and that is why culture have some limitation. Being the beloved in our identity, the core of our existence, it is not merely a lofty thought as inspiring ideas or one name among many. Culture is the name for what people are interested in, their thoughts, the book they read, and the speeches they hear. Culture is the way of coping with the world by defining in the detail. Thankfully, most of our culture are good. In our country, there are variety of people with religion, castes, and ethnic group. In our country, Nepal, this praise our culture, our identity is especially vastly influenced by our culture, from down till ducks and from the birth till death. In our country, Nepal, around the world, we Nepalese are known for our variety in culture. As we know, we do have different culture and unity and diversity. That way, our culture is our identity. A person's beliefs and morals are made up by the culture, and they remain thought out the life of human being. We recognize people on the basis of their culture. We know about what caste and ethnic group they belong to, what state and region they come from, and also about the country they are from. In our country around the world, we Nepalese are known for our variety in culture, our unity while celebrating them, and our culture. As we know, we do have different culture and we do have some special culture, and many tourists come to visit us to see our culture identities. At last, I would like to say our culture is really important to shape our